Welcome to the fourth course of the Unity Gameplay Programming Specialization. In this course, you'll learn all about performance optimization for games. Games are pushing graphics further and further, and despite massive advances in rendering power, we still need to squeeze every bit of performance out of the GPU if we want our games looking their finest. Many tricks work just as well today as they did when 3D games were new, and our tools for analyzing performance have only gotten better. The focus of this course is to apply Unity's tools for analyzing platform performance and to debug and optimize your gameplay. You will practice rendering optimization, configuring asset bundle downloading, and application debugging. By the end of the course, you will fully optimize the dual-stick Survivor game for multiple build platforms. Ready to optimize your games and practice essential debugging techniques? Let's begin.